讲到美国大选倒打算剩5天就要办，已经有超过6500名的选民提早来投票。也川普这2天伫咧威斯康星州造势，嘛搁再针对非法移民，讲伊会保护这个查某人离开这移民，无论因是假也是无假，拢共款。这嘛搁再互贺锦丽抓着机会大声批评。
川普的竞选 partner 范斯31伫北卡州海波特大学和少年学生对谈，访问着讲美中南海和印中边界冲突，传唤团队敢有啥物降低区域紧张局势计划？更较重要的是，安怎避免发生需要停兵的状况？对这，范斯是直接提台湾问题来回答。
Kamala Harris has been sending so many resources to Ukraine, we actually don't have enough to send to Taiwan. So by approaching the Russia-Ukraine situation in the way that we have, we've actually made it more likely that the Chinese will invade Taiwan, and we need to pursue a foreign policy that makes it less likely, and that's what's going to change when Donald Trump is president.
川普伊讲伫亚利桑那州的专访，佮讲到伊2020选举作弊主张，伫威斯康星州造势时阵，伊讲到非法移民的治安问题，讲因爱保护女性，而且佮加一句讲，唔管因介意还是无介意，这嘛引起好几日在内各党各派妇女的谴责。
I'm going to do it whether the women like it or not. I'm going to protect them. I'm going to protect them from migrants coming in.
It actually is, I think, very offensive to women.
川普伫这场大选的民调是含对手咬甲正，也唔知影谁会赢。两大阵营催票、纠票、告票的动作一直无停过，选民嘛拢有意愿出来投票。到31为止，已经有破纪录的6500万的选民完成投票。密苏里州杰克森郡选用无条件不在籍选票来投票的民众排到乐堂，平均爱等1点钟才当完成。 31嘛，拄好拄着万圣节，纽约市是组织几啊万人参加几啊节的大游行。不过游行的政治味是真高，选战内面一寡真含的言论，拢变作大家提出来笑的标语。密西根州霍兰德市一个万圣节的舞会，内面的民众慌忙着讲，即马心内上惊是啥物？答案竟然是两党的总统候选人。
Well, the fact that Trump could be elected and just everything that he stands for is like what's scary to me.
Harris winning, to be honest, it's just a lot of unknown, kind of scary.
公司新闻王慧文编译。